Good day, Mom and Sir. First of all, I want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Solis. I am 43 years old. I am single. We are the three siblings in the family. I am the eldest. I am a resident at General Trias City, Philippines. I completed my vocational course of Associate of Computer Secretarial at National College of Science and Technology. I have an experience here in the Philippines as domestic helper. My main duty is to maintain the cleanliness of all house. I also do laundry, ironing the clothes, and cooking of Asian foods, and cleaning the old backyards. I also take care of the children of my employer. I usually prepare a healthy food in the morning and waking up and sending them and picking up in the school. I also play with them and helping their homework. I am looking forward to potentially working with your family. I am fast learner, a hard working. I can work independently. I am very much willing to learn. Good day and God bless.